Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Baby Wall Street Memes token. Ticker symbol is BWSM. So the original Wall Street Memes token was very popular during their pre-sale. There was news all over the place about their WSM pre-sale. They finished their pre-sale, and now the token is being listed on decentralized exchanges and centralized exchanges. And now we have the Baby Wall Street Memes token coming out on pink sale for pre-sale, which is going to start in about half a day. It's going to be a public pre-sale. You don't need to be on a white list or anything like that. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Baby Wall Street Memes token is following the idea behind the main project. This baby version is here to give investors a new concept of crypto memes, funny and decentralized, redistributing wealth into the hands of the common people, massive marketing, KYC, audit, professional shillers 24/7, DEX tools and AveDex socials updated and ready to trend, no team tokens, no private sale, 0% buy tax, renounced contract, let's build it together, it says. So their pre-sale is going to start exactly September 27th at 14 hours UTC time, and is going to run basically for 2 days and 4.5 hours. It goes until September 29th, 1830 UTC time. Now this is an Ethereum token. It's a public pre-sale, like I mentioned earlier, so anybody can get involved. The max contribution is going to be 1 Ethereum. Soft cap is set at 5 ETH, so once they reach 5 ETH, it's a successful pre-sale. Now there is no hard cap, so basically the pre-sale will just continue until time runs out. So it's going to go for the full 2 days, 4.5 hours, and they'll see how many tokens they can sell. Total supply of this project here, 2 billion BWSM tokens, 18 decimal places. Now, if you missed this pre-sale and you want to get this token, first of all, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of these new tokens. But second of all, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to Uniswap for purchase. Since it's an Ethereum token, you'll be able to get it over there. By funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your Ethereum for the Baby Wall Street Memes token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, babywallstreetmemes.com. Now, you probably will not have to change slippage for buys because it said 0% buy and sell tax. But let's see if there's tax for sales. It's for sales or sales, whatever. You will have to set your slippage around 2% because it says there is a 2% tax on sales. And then liquidity also will be locked on Uniswap for 270 days. According to their token metrics pie chart here, 30% of the tokens get burnt. 47.15% of the tokens go to pre-sale, and 22.84% of the tokens go to liquidity. Now, there is a free and quick light audit by Analytics Audit in the discussion section on pink sale. And it says, no mint function found. Owner cannot mint tokens after initial deployment. Owner cannot set fees over 25%. Owner cannot set max transaction. Owner cannot change trading status. Owner cannot set blacklist. Now, there is one warning. It says owner has to manually enable trading. So just be aware of that warning. Warnings are there for a reason. So thoroughly, review this project before getting it. And that's just the way stuff goes. That's why the warnings are there. You should always review the quick audits, the full audits, everything to make sure everything's in place. Now, if you go to their webpage, Baby Wall Street or WEALTHSIMPLE.com, they do have a 3-page white paper over there that you could check out. It's got basically all the info you need on it. It's almost the same stuff as their webpage, basically. So it's not much difference. Now, they do have a roadmap. It says, we're laying the foundation and empowering our community every step of the way. Together, we will show the world that Baby Wall Street Memes is here to stay. So phase 1 is going to be the initial concept and white paper, then website development, deploy the token on Ethereum, white paper development, phase 2, well, they're going to have an audit too, and then phase 2 is going to be shilling contest, active contest, meme competition, phase 3, pink sale, pre-sale, marketing campaign, Uniswap launch, massive marketing campaign, phase 4, listing on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, trending, and then phase 5 is to be announced. Now, there is a big disclaimer at the bottom of their webpage and their white paper that everybody should read as well. So Baby Wall Street Memes brings you the unfettered access to the all-conquering WSM, which is the talk of the town, fathered by the Wall Street Memes. If you want access to the boss himself, you'll have to go through Baby Wall Street Memes. Call this baby a greedy baby because 100 times is not enough. BWSM will make the useless become useful. So that is their slogan there, I guess. And then, yeah, you can check out their Twitter. I'm going to put that up right here, at Baby Memes, and has their webpage link right on the Twitter. You can see it there. It says the Robin Hood of DeFi, the only son of Wall Street Memes. They just joined in September 2023 and already have 2,193 followers. 11 tweets so far, mainly talking about their pink sale, pre-sale, and their audit and whatever, things like that. And then they also have a Telegram. You can follow at Baby Wall ST Memes that has 2,471 members. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And yeah, leave a comment down there. Check out the referral codes. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.